Just waiting for sunset here, and before sunset comes down, we'll talk about 90 seconds of real estate advice. And check this out. If you're gonna be buying real estate, use money that's not yours. You can use these 3 different financiers for your money. You can use a hard money lender, or it's called an HML. You can use a private money lender, which is a PML, or you can use a traditional bank. Or really, what you want to use is a national lender. A national lender is going to help you buy real estate at a much easier way with better interest rates, better terms and conditions on the loan. And if you're going to go buy some land and you're not going to go buy, let's say, a duplex, a triplex, a primary residence, then you want to go use maybe your local lender, like for example, a credit union or a People's Bank, something that has more roots ingrained in the local economy of that county, right? That city that you're investing in. So hey, if you're looking to find a private lender, or you're looking to find a mortgage officer, somebody that can help you out, you can go click the link in the description down below. There's plenty of referrals that I can guarantee you probably can call from one of my guys I've worked with. And if you have any other questions, I'm happy to answer some comments down below. All right, I'll talk to you guys really soon. Hey, go check out the next video and make sure you subscribe.